Rio de Janeiro, just the name holds promise of wonder and magic. And Rio is never more magic than during its big annual event. Let's try walking along Copacabana beach in the middle of Carnival.
And this will not be your typical beach walk walking all the postos. This will be a beach walk to just get the spirit of Carnival at Copacabana beach. If you want to see how the full beach looks, posto by posto, watch my previous video.
At first glance, Carnival at the beach might not be what you expected. There is not a constant echo of samba drums, and people do not wear feathered costumes lying in the sand. Starting at the far end at Posto 6, there is basically just one indication: today is not a normal day.
That was cheating, obviously cheating.
It's simply just a lot of people out. And believe me, it will get considerably wilder. It's still early, and this is the quiet, family-dominated part. Remember, this beach is 4 kilometers long. 4 kilometers of this.
I've never ever seen this many people on Copa Beach, ever in my life. Is this Carnival or not? Is this Carnival or not?
Normally, an umbrella at the beach costs basically nothing and is easy to find. During Carnival, prices might go up a bit and it might be real hard finding a spot. Luckily, you're allowed to just put your towel anywhere you want for free.
The day can finally begin. First eeny teeny caipirinha.
Why choose Copacabana Beach? Let's ask the locals.
Perto de casa, ela é uma praia calma, boa. Eu não sei.
So, another victim for the gringo glasses. They sell like butter in a rainstorm or something. They are extremely popular. The gringo glasses.
When hearing Carnival, most probably think about young people going crazy with music and dance. But more than anything, Carnival is a work-free holiday, bringing tons of families to the beach. But yeah, also some more dance and music.
Tudo bem? Party girl brings her own whiskey to the beach.
Bom.
Gostoso?
Muito bom.
Rosemary? Muito boa. I hope there's no drugs in this.
By the way, you will be offered to buy drugs on the beach. Don't accept, you might get into trouble.
With me I have YouTube favorite, Twani. She's gonna be showing us all the crazy stuff you do here at Copacabana Beach.
Between posto 5 and 4 is normally a good spot to escape loud families. Normally.
There's usually no problem whatsoever finding a chair here, posto 4, posto 5, but today you have to fight for your life to get a seat. It's just this sea of people everywhere. Unfortunately, mostly families around here in Copa.
I promise I have nothing against parents with kids. It's just that they don't really bring that party vibe. Just when you lost all hope, there is a free umbrella. Unfortunately, without a chair.
No, apparently they were out of chairs. Since we are the last ones to arrive at this beach, thanks to my hotel. Never go to Hotel Atlantico Copacabana. Worst service ever.
Yeah, those guys took forever checking in.
So, Tuani, you feel like a poor person, can't even afford a chair?
Now, time to get into that carnival vibe. There you go, much better.
Coisa mais boa, Copacabana.
A coisa que eu mais gosto em Copacabana, eu acho que é a noite. No litoral, assim, os barzinhos. Eu acho que é o que eu mais gosto.
If your spot doesn't feel perfect, don't hesitate, just move a kilometer along the beach.
Don't walk. Always take a taxi. If you're out of time, always order the Uber and you'll thank yourself.
New posto, new vibe. Now entering the more sporty section, with a little younger crowd prepared to party.
So, how is the weather in early March? Well, I can tell you it's freaking hot. I've never experienced Rio this hot before. It's been 35 degrees, sun for 2 weeks straight. It just never ends.
So why start your carnival day at the beach?
Porque estamos nesse domingo maravilhoso de sol. Acho que o final de semana no Rio, com um tempo desses, não tem como não aproveitar um dia bonito desse na praia. Faz parte da cultura carioca a gente aproveitar o dia de praia.
To reach Copa's most posh and bohemian area, keep walking. Once that Sugarloaf mountain becomes clearly visible, you're in Leme, the place you wanna be. This is also considered the safest part of Copa Beach.
Search for the perfect beach party goes on. Let's do this. Let's do this.
If you think you're skilled with a football, this is the place that will make you reconsider. These guys here are pros. Yeah, we'll see more of those football skills later on. First, finding a seat to really get that party spirit pumping.
Why do you like Copacabana?
I like it here because of the young people, because of the good weather, because of the beaches, the good caipirinha and everything. Just come here and drink the race.
Tawani always have the best ideas. Always more caipirinha. Yeah, and I just can't seem to keep that Viking helmet to myself. I mean, don't we all really just want to be Vikings?
I hate Heineken.
You hate Heineken?
I do.
Why are you drinking it?
Olá!
Qual é a sua opinião da Leme?
A Praia do Leme é muito tranquila, tem muitos jovens praticando esporte e a vista do Leme é perfeita porque dá pra ver o Pão de Açúcar daqui bem pertinho. Deixa você mais suave pra curtir uma praia tomando uma água de coco.
Você gosta mais que Ipanema?
Não, eu prefiro Ipanema.
Ouch, that stings Copa, that stings Leme. But fact is, I also prefer Ipanema. Yeah, and there's one subject we haven't touched yet, as security.
Você se senta seguro em Praia Copacabana?
Mais ou menos, não tanto. Por muitos casos, né, que o pessoal comenta que tem assalto, arrastão, então eu não me sinto muito segura.
Okay, so don't be afraid you'll get knocked down or seriously hurt, but especially during Carnival, keep an eye on your things and don't bring unnecessary stuff to the beach. And if it looked like this in March, just imagine how Carnival in April will be.
Well, we are reaching the end of Leme Beach. Sun is slowly descending and I think you all know what's next. Yes, sunset at Mureta do Leme.
The little hill at the end of Leme Beach holds some really nice bars. Come here in the afternoon and just wait for that sunset. That might just be the best thing you will do this day. Meaning of life in one word, caipirinha.
This is life, you know.
And that is all from Copa Beach. But hang on for this. Jungle adventures, wild parties across Brazil, and beaches to die for. I got a lot in store for the coming months. Wait and see. Thank you for watching and stay safe.